Welcome back to the Kenny Mac B channel. Hi, I'm Kenny Mac B from MoneyPassiveCash.com. In this video, I'm going to tell you what you can expect from my very first website. And I know I'm a little biased. I mean, it's my first website. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't even know anybody that owns their own website. You know, at least like in my circle, I don't know. So yeah, I'm very proud of myself. Okay, you know, not cocky, just confident. It's a total difference. I'm gonna tell you basically about some of the features, what the website is about, and you know why I created it. So stay tuned to see what I have to offer. What? So you don't want to see what I have to offer? I am appalled. So you don't want me to cry? Look, I don't know what you want, okay? Do you want me to show you what I have to offer or not? I mean, I'm just saying. Okay. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and show you and tell you and all that good stuff. Okay? I have a drop down bar with 4 features. The home page where I'm telling you a little bit in detail about what the website is about, which is basically passive income and how to generate it. Plus, at the bottom of the home page, I am highlighting 2 investment platforms that has generated me another form of passive income. And I don't add no money to it. I knew you would like that. I knew you would like that. I just knew it. I knew it. The second one is my resources blog that's packed with information about what is passive income and how you yourself, just as well as I do, obtain passive income. And if you're already an entrepreneur and you're trying to make your business a lot easier, I have a lot of things that will help you out on this specific page. The third one is my tools page. Where I have videos here on YouTube explaining some of the programs and what they can help you with. In my last page, where I explain what I specifically was struggling with, like not having a mentor in the beginning of my entrepreneurship venture. and who this website is actually for. Which is basically like the person that doesn't know anything about passive income, or the person that is struggling like really bad, you know, with trying to obtain passive income. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. It was basically me explaining what my website is and what I offer on my website. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I am on my way to hitting 1,000 subscribers. And give me a like if you like, because it really does help my channel out. And if you have gotten value from this video or any of the videos that you've seen of mine, please, 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 please share it with a like-minded friend. The reason why I say like-minded friend is because everybody's not going to be into what you're into. That's to save you the hassle in trying to explain it, or, you know, arguing back and forth with your friend and stuff like that, you know, over something really small. Trust me, people do this. And remember to turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Deuces.